Want to turn AI into income, but don't know where to start? These 5 side hustles are beginner-friendly, cost $0 to start, and use free AI tools. Let's get into it. Grab your free AI Income Toolkit in the description. It includes the tools, prompts, and planner to take action today. Faceless YouTube channel. Start a Faceless YouTube channel using Pictory and ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to script videos, then Pictory to turn them into voiceover and video content. No camera, no stress. 4. Digital products. Write an ebook, create a planner, or launch a digital guide using ChatGPT and Canva. These are perfect for Etsy or Gumroad, and it's 100% AI assisted. Offer services like blog writing, image editing, or social media captions, all powered by AI. Use ChatGPT, Grammarly, or even Canva's magic tools to work smarter. So, you're thinking about designing t-shirts, mugs, or journals, but don't have any graphic design skills? No worries. All you need to do is pair Canva's AI tools with platforms like Printify or Printful. Then you can sell your creations through Etsy or even your own store. It's that simple. Want to promote products through a blog, YouTube, or TikTok? Let AI do the heavy lifting for you. You can generate content, write reviews, and even create ad copy using ChatGPT. It's a game changer for affiliate marketing. Are you ready to launch one of these hustles this week? Download the free AI Income Toolkit below. It's packed with all the tools, prompts, and a 7-day planner to guide you every step of the way. Let's hustle smarter, not harder. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly AI hustles. And up next, how I used AI to make my first $100 online. Stay tuned.